Now, let us see how a crosswalk for a program budget would work using the program budget for the component of public safety for a particular city. Now note that I have taken this example from the lecture notes of Professor Alan Stice, who at the time was at the University of Michigan. So consider the program public safety, and that public safety actually has 5 components. It has law enforcement, traffic safety, fire safety, and maintenance of public order, as well as prevention and control of other hazards. Now, in this example, we are just going to focus on the law enforcement component and think that, and then the law enforcement component can be further subdivided into programs, in the sense that we have police operations, we have police investigations, we have judgment of non-traffic offenses, and we have also the sub-program rehabilitation of offenders. And note that in this example here, we are going to focus on, so we have law enforcement is the program that we are going to focus on. So this is, we have it here as well. And then we are also looking at the sub-program of police investigations. Now, the sub-program police investigations also can be further broken down into so-called program elements. And so here we have the program elements associated with police investigation. We have the detective section, we have the vice squad, we have the juvenile section, and we also have lab services. And note that the budget request for the sub-program police investigations is going to be 1 million, a little bit over $1.3 million. Now, in order to determine how much money actually has to be spent on the police investigations, we have to combine this program budget with a line item budget. And this is how also then the crosswalk is going to happen, because you now have the various program elements associated with the sub-program police investigations, which are listed here on top. Okay, so you have the detectives, vice squad, juveniles, and the lab support. And then from here, you can simply calculate a regular line item budget, where you start off with the personnel services, in the sense of how much do the lieutenants, lab supervisors, and the various other ranks of a police department or of a law enforcement agency, how much do they cost? You have their salaries, okay? And then you also have the, from the personnel services, you have the subtotal for salaries, and then you also have the other costs that are associated with the police investigations. And when you are calculating the sub-program totals, you arrive at the 1.3 million, or a little bit over 1.3 million, which corresponds to the value of the sub-program police investigations. And this is how a crosswalk works.